Hey guys, good morning. So basically, I want to make my hair today, and I just thought I should do a video so you guys can see what I'm about to do in case you want to do it on yourself also. So, for those of you who know how to make your hair yourself, so stay tuned. And basically, this is what I'll be doing. All of my hair. What you need is just attachment, obviously, and your hair cream, whatever you use. I use Bantu because my hair has refused to grow. I don't understand. And obviously, you need yourself to be here to make your hair, and instruments, every other instrument that you use. Yeah, basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'll be splitting my hair into boxes. I'm going to split this into 2 boxes right now because I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, yeah. I think, yeah, this is smooth enough. Yeah, so we have 2 boxes, one at the back and one at the front. Because I don't have front hair too much like that, so I like to lay my edges before I braid it up because my hair will come out and I don't like to see my hair out, so I am sweeping in my edges right now. I wish the way I had edges is the way I had hair. Ladies and gentlemen, some of us are just not, I don't know what we did. I don't know. Please comment down there if you're in the same category as me, because name it. Oh bro, there is nothing, I repeat, nothing I have not done for this hair to grow. They have just decided to disgrace me, but no, everybody is doing something about their hair. I've been doing something about it. I personally made oil because of this hair. This pretty though. Do you know that my hair acted like it's not the one that I made the oil for? My hair acted like, this oil is not for me. I guess I just haven't gotten the probably procedure to heat for it yet, because yeah. So as you can see, you're just gonna braid it. You braid it up. This is not something very difficult. You can do it by yourself to, look good in this quarantine period. So I'm currently just, doing the normal braids. Nothing special. It's just normal braid. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, finally braided it up. So once you are done, you wanna hold on to the lower part of the braids and just begin to turn it around, and honestly you are making a donut with this. And when you are turning it, make sure not to pick air from the back, like the ones that you have parted before, because if your hair is like mine, it's always gets in the middle of my stuff. So basically you just want to round it up and continue to round it up, and you continue to round it up until you feel like the donut is secured. and until the braid. So this is what I achieved after I did that. So you guys can see. So this is what I'll be doing with all of my hair. Oh yeah, I meant again. I've successfully boxed up every part of my hair. As you can see, everything is in a box. So let me show you the back. What's next is you just want to like repeat the same process all over again. Box it, braid it, and then you round it. Braid it and you round it. Now if you're the type of person that sleeps jagba jagba like I used to do, I don't know how to call it, but you just sleep and you wake up and find your hair like this, and that kind of sleep. Exactly. You want to like secure this donut with either thread and needle to actually secure it, but I don't want to use thread and needle. What I just used was this rubber band that I used to make these boxes. Is the same one I'm using to secure it down so it doesn't move, as you can see. So guys, yeah, this is the result of the hair that I've been making since morning. You see? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you. Remember, stay home and stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.